Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to change your age on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the TikTok app and going to your profile. In the top right corner, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, navigate to the Account section and then to User Information. You'll notice that you can't directly edit your birth date or age here. To proceed, you'll need to contact TikTok's support team. Go back to the main settings page, access the menu again, and scroll down to find the Report a Problem option. Tap on it, then expand the Account and Profile section and select Edit Profile. Choose Other from the options available. Next, you'll need to get in touch with TikTok support. When asked, "Is your problem resolved?" select No, and then click on the Need More Help button. This will open a contact form where you can explain your issue. Write a message stating that the birth date on your TikTok account is incorrect and that you'd like to update it. Mention that you can provide an ID card or other documentation to verify the change if necessary. Submit your request through the contact form and wait for a response from TikTok's support team. They typically reply within a few days and will guide you through the process of updating your birth date. Be sure not to upload a photo of your ID card unless they specifically ask for it. Simply explaining the situation and politely requesting the correction should be enough to start the update process. So that's basically how to change your age on TikTok. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.